Hello, this will be the first video for the bug lottery playlist. Usually I do branch videos and I just did bugs at like the first bit. I thought, why don't I start doing bug videos so I can go into a bit more detail, and then the branch videos don't take as much. I can just reference these bug videos. So the first one, autosave uses last level instead of current level. Right, so how I fixed this was originally autosave, so this one had the same logic as this one. So you see saved current game level uses the current level. Issue being, when you save normally, you go to an item, you press save, great, you're saved in that room. Autosave works as you works as you enter the room, but the game instance, or the game in general, when you move to another level, it resets your variables. So you can't feed it the next room using this sort of logic, the current level, because it'll only ever be the current level like prior to moving level, if you understand. So you go into the bathroom, you're in the bedroom, you auto save when you go into the bathroom, but you're still saved as the bedroom because the bathroom's variables are all fresh, and the current level is the one you've just come from. So both autosave and save game to slot, so like a manual save, had this logic. How I got around it was on autosave, I get the current game level from, I feed the destination into the autosave function, and then I also feed the player start. So I'll go into a bit more detail in a minute, but essentially if your level's got 5 player starts, it's like Russian roulette, and it's just random unless you define where you want your player start to be. So this is the function, autosave game to slot 0. It's slot 0, so it's just the top one. If I then go to the save slot, not the save slot, sorry, it is the door. So this, I'll just go through here. Right, here we go. So when you interact with the door, if you're in range, auto save game to slot 0. So this, trigger this. Originally, I had that as blank, like that wasn't there, and level destination, it was blank as well. Oh no, level destination was there, but I didn't take advantage of it. But player start was definitely not there, so it's just target and level destination. The level destination is instance editable. So if I go to this one, look on the right, level destination, the bathroom, level movement, the player start, so the bedroom to the bathroom. So when you use that door, it feeds the bathroom and the player start. Well, there's only one, so really it's irrelevant for this one, but it's redundant, I should say. It feeds that level destination through here into the save game object to the current game level, and that is how it now works. If I just hook it up on the front, because I also had it like this on, so event begin play does all its event dispatches. I need to look at that. I'm sure I can tidy it up. Play game happens at the end of that giant event begin play. But if you've loaded the game, it goes to load game, and this was blank. You see there's options there. You can take advantage of options. So if you go like that, it's like magic, And I don't know why options just works. There's nothing here that's just called options, is there? It just miraculously worked. I figured it out one time, and I was like, okay, cool. So now, when you go into that level, you use that door. It'll feed this information into the save slot. Goes into slot 0. It goes back to the event graph because it does event begin play again because you've loaded up a new level. It goes, okay, so have they loaded up a new level? Essentially, that's what this checks. It goes, okay, so it's not a new game, it's a load game. So whether it's a load game from you clicking the slot like this, load, or you just going into the room, it's a load game. It then feeds that in, load level from slot, so slot 0, loads that level, the player start and the level, and if I just show you it now, right, so we go into here, we go, put the light on, well, there you go, it's now the bathroom. See, prior to this, like the branch I've just done, this would have said the bedroom, so the autosave is that. If I go back to resume, let's say I do this, let's say I go into the hallway, but I'll be going into the hallway player start from my bedroom, and there's many player starts. So we go out, let's do pause, main menu, load, hallway, and if I load it, it will load at that player start. There we go. Magic. So that's that one done. Honestly, about 10 minutes. It's like 10 minutes after the branch. I couldn't believe it. It's just one of those things when you're just crunching through the bugs. Thank you, and yeah, I expect more to come.